Welcome to Black Atom Physics class. We have a problem whereby it says Oasis B is 25 kilometers due east of Oasis A, and then a camel walks 24 kilometers in a direction of 15 degrees south of east. So we're going to find out what the south of east in terms of angles. So that is east, and then that is south, that is north. And then from there we have way 24 kilometer, but let's just make it easy. We don't include the units at the moment. Let's just include the coordinates, the angle, which is negative because anti-clockwise, it's clockwise. Then that means it's negative 15 degrees, cos negative 15 degrees. And we also have another that is horizontal, then vertical component will be sine negative 15 degrees. And from there what happens is we cos negative 45 degrees times 24. That will give us, remember that is I, that is 23.18 I, and that is plus. And then we also have 24 multiplied by sine negative 15 degrees gives us negative 6.21 J. So that's a vertical and horizontal component. Then the next thing, another distance as well. So that will be 2318 J minus 6.21. 23.18 I minus 6.21 J. So those are the unit components. And then we have O1, that is plus 8J. So 8.0 J. So that's because it's due north, so it's a vertical component with no horizontal component. So it's 0 for I and it's 8 for J. And from there we add because it traveled twice, so we add the first component and the second component. So adding them all together, we have 0 for 23.18 I, giving us 23.18 I, and then 8.0 minus 6.21 J gives us 1.79 J. So that's the component. So that is going to be our vector for C. So our vector for C equivalence will be the root of the I squared, which is 23.18 squared, plus 1.79 J squared. So that gives us, using our calculation, gives us 23.25 kilometer. So at what angle is that traveling at? So we use 10, inverse of 10. So that will be 1.79 over 23.18. So it's 23.18. That ratio with inverse of 10 giving us an angle of 4.420 degrees. So that's it. That is our destination. So how far it is from the original, so we need the distance. So the distance is going to be that's the destination of which we have to go back to where the camel came from. So that is going to be B minus the distance B minus the distance at C. So the distance at B is 25I, so that's going to be 25I plus 0 J minus bracket, we have that one, which is 23.18I plus 1.79 J. Alright, so now that will be 25 minus 23.18I gives us 1.82I, and then 0 minus 1.79 will give us negative 1.79 J. Okay, so 1.79 J. So that's what it's going to be. And then from there we have that as our vector. Now to find the real distance, we square root, that's 1.82 I squared plus negative 1.79 squared. So that gives us a total of 2.6 kilometer. So at what angle is that? So we find the ratio again, inverse of 10, that is negative 1.79 over 1.82, and then calculating that gives us, from the calculator, gives us negative 45 degrees. So that's an angle. So that will have to, it has to travel 2.6 kilometer, that's the distance away, at an angle of negative 45, so which is 45 degrees due east, south of east. So that's it. So it's south of due east, so that's the direction it has to travel. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe. This is Chucha Black Adam. Thank you for watching.